important the insects, birds, and squirrels here in Finland. Squirrels symbolizes Finland's healthy, urban nature balance. Many people feed them or enjoy spotting them near their homes. The Eurasian red squirrel orava is one of Finland's most recognized wild mammals and is often seen in parks and forests, even in cities. Squirrels are often depicted as cute, intelligent, and lively in Finnish children's books, cartoons, and forest-themed folklore. Even the insects here has their own hotel, Sunall. Look, Oreo, there is a squirrel. The other day our neighbor tied something to a tree. I thought it was a light for the winter, but it turned out to be bird food. I am so amazed how they are so concerned about animals here. Birds are key indicators of environmental health. Their populations reflect the condition of Finland's ecosystems, forests, wetlands, lakes, and the Baltic coast. It is a Finnish tradition to build and hang up birdhouses. It is a common hobby for families, schools, and nature groups. It's part of environmental education, teaching children to care for nature and understand bird life.
Please like, share, and subscribe.